Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Drupal UI templates for improved user journeys, full guide step by step clearly. To update Drupal UI templates for improved user journeys, start by conducting a thorough analysis of the existing user interface. Gather user feedback to identify pain points and areas for improvement. Review analytics data to understand user behavior patterns on your site. Set specific goals for the UI updates based on your findings. Create a design prototype to visualize potential changes to the templates. Choose a prototyping tool that fits your workflow. Develop the prototype iteratively, allowing for user testing at each stage. Collect feedback on the prototype and make necessary adjustments. Once satisfied with the design, set up a local development environment for Drupal. Download and install the latest version of Drupal if you haven't already. Navigate to the theme you're currently using. Locate the specific UI templates you wish to update, often found in the Themes Templates folder. Examine the existing template files to understand their structure and functionality. Make a backup of the original template files before making changes. Start editing the templates according to your new design specifications. Use HTML, CSS, and Twig syntax to implement the updated designs. Test the templates continuously as you make adjustments. Utilize Drupal's built-in tools to clear the cache after every change to see updates in real time. Adjust the templates for responsiveness to ensure a seamless experience across devices. Integrate any new functionalities that enhance user interactions. Review the accessibility standards to ensure compliance while updating the templates. Consider adding appropriate ARIA labels and roles for better screen reader support. Perform user testing on the updated templates to gather more feedback. Gather a diverse group of users to assess usability in various scenarios. Make final tweaks based on user testing results. Prepare the changes for deployment by thoroughly reviewing the code. Document the changes you made to serve as a reference for future updates. Deploy the updated templates to your live site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.